Here we have for sale our May 2026 on a 26 plate Ford Transit Custom with our full signature styling package on it. This is a 320 model, so 3.2 ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2 litre Eco Blue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and this is a short wheelbase limited, what did start its life as a panel van, but is now a fantastic 6-seat double cab converted. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. We'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll talk you through that fantastic double cab conversion that has been carried out, and also the signature styling package that is on this particular van. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a Limited you get a number of elements which come color coded. That includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, mirror caps, all come color coded in the body color, which in this case is the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. Now, our signature styling package includes things like the gloss black rear spoiler, which you can see there, but also then this full gloss black low-line aero kit, which is also the rear splitter just here, the side skirts, the front splitter on the front, and also the front canards. We'll show you that in a bit more detail when we get around there. It also includes this nice carbon rear bumper protector, and I think all in all creates a really nice look here at the back of the van. And of course, a Limited comes as standard with gloss black badges, these gloss black details in the lights, which all work very well with the rest of the gloss black styling which has been added. Now then, if we open up the rear doors, we can start to have a look inside the back of the van, and this is where things are of course very, very different from when it first left the factory. So inside here then, as I mentioned, this has had a thorough conversion done in the back of here. So the first thing to note are 3 individual Tourneo rear seats that have been added in here. The beauty of these seats is the versatility that they offer. So they're on sliding rails, so you can slide these seats backwards and forwards to give you more leg room or more load space as you want. Each of them will recline slightly as well, so it can make it a bit more comfortable for your rear passengers. But crucially, you can fold them down and you can remove each of those seats individually as well. So if you wanted to load something longer down one side or down this side, you could just remove a single seat as you wanted to, or of course you could quick release all of the seats and have it at the full size of a, in this case, short wheelbase Ford Transit Custom van. The center seat as well, you can see, has got 2 cup holders there in the backrest. So if you fold that middle seat down, 2 outer passengers there have then got a nice center armrest and a couple of cup holders also. You can also see the van is completely carpet lined, so it's a beautiful job of the carpet lining everywhere with these lovely inlays here, nice detailing, of course all the wheel arches, and then a full carpet headlining as well, which includes these very nice LED spotlights, but it totally transforms the inside of the back of the van. And then the flooring is this nice black Altro non-slip flooring, and you can see a really nice threshold here at the back as well. But yeah, all brand new in here, looks absolutely stunning. Full rear door coverage as well on the carpet. But as you can see, you can carry 6 people and you've still got a fantastic load space in the back of here. There's also this little switch here. Give that a little push and you've got 2 extra LED load lights there at the back. If we shut the rear doors, then we'll continue to go around the outside of the vehicle. So looking here then down the side of the van, of course this is pre-registered, is literally just delivery miles. There's nothing to talk of in terms of condition. It's all in as new condition. Our guys have still, of course, given it a polish, as we always do. We almost can't leave them alone. But looking here at the wheels, again, part of our signature styling package here, comes with a really nice set of 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. This is the Paradox design, which I think works very, very nicely with the rest of the styling that is on the van. And of course, proper load-rated tyres, of course, which are needed, and low-rated alloys as well for the van. So if we open up the driver's door, then we can start to have a look inside here. Really nice spec that you get inside here on the Limited. So you've got plenty of adjustment here on the driver's seat, really nice and comfortable. You've got that driver's armrest just there. Steering wheel then, really modern feeling steering wheel. It's almost this rounded off square steering wheel. On the left hand side you have got the cruise control on the left hand side. On the right hand side then you've got your onboard computer controls. Speaking of which, you've got this very smart full digital dashboard here in front of you, and you can configure these displays to meet your liking, and you can see the mileage there. 79.3 miles is all that it has covered. There's actually more miles of range in the tank than there are miles completed in this van so far, so it really is as new. In the centre then you've got this over 11-inch display screen here on the Limited, which gives you wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and then all along the bottom you've got all these controls down here. So you've got things like your heated seats, you've got heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning, all of that as standard on the Limited. If I put the vehicle into reverse, you can see you've got that really clear reversing camera display just there as well. Down below then, nice little hidden cup holder there, and you've got a USB and a USB-C, and then finally a little 12-volt socket there to the side. Also, very nice place to be inside here. This automatic gearbox is as smooth as silk, the 8-speed in these now. Really big improvement over the previous shape, I believe. That is controlled on this stalk on the side, and of course this one is set up as a 6-seater, so you've still got all the practicality of the van there in the front. On top of the driver's door you've got electric windows, electric folding mirrors there as well. Around to the front then, some more upgrades that have been done to the front of this van. So we've got the gloss black honeycomb grille, which has been added there. That looks absolutely fantastic. And then to the front then you've got these gloss black canards and also the gloss black lower splitter, which you can see there. I'd usually be looking for stone chips and things like that, but I say absolutely as new here. Stunning to show you a van like this in new condition. Forward LED headlights, and then if we open up the side loading door, this gives you a proper look then of these rear seats. So as I mentioned, you can slide each of these seats backwards and forwards, and they are so easy to operate. So you can see there, I can literally do that with one hand. So you can slide them backwards and forwards to give you, as I say, more or less leg room or more or less load space in the back. You can fold them down just by using that little handle just there, and that folds the seat down flat. You can do exactly the same with each of those seats individually. And then from this position, you've got this tab just here. Give that a pull, and that completely releases the seat from the floor, so you can take that out as quickly as that. So within 30 seconds, you can have one seat out of here, no problem at all. Once the seat is back in its upright position just here, give that handle another pull, and you can recline the seat a little bit as well, so you can see it gives you a bit more comfort if you want it there. And these headrests are all adjustable, so these can go up and down also. But yeah, as I say, the fact that they slide backwards and forwards, they're folding, and you can remove them. Versatility is the key word here, and you can see all nicely finished with these rails, the black Altro flooring, and then you've also still got the load through hatch just there, so you can load right the way through underneath the passenger seats. Opening up the cab then, you've got storage here underneath the passenger seats like so plenty of storage there, which is out of the line of sight. On the dashboard then you've got two glove boxes here, so you've got an upper glove box and a lower glove box just there. But yeah, absolutely stunning conversion, all, as I say, fully carpeted with those LED spotlights. A set of roof bars as well have been added, creating this really thorough conversion of the exterior and the interior of this van. Now, it was registered on the 31st of May of 2026, so you've got 3 years of warranty from that date. So the 31st of May 2029, you've still got Ford manufacturer's warranty on this vehicle for your peace of mind. We can take cars or vans in part exchange. We can, of course, arrange funding at very competitive rates, whether that be for limited companies or for private individuals, and we can arrange delivery directly to your door as well. So if you'd like this vehicle to your door without having to move, we can arrange that, or of course you're more than welcome to come and visit us here down in sunny South Wales. Thank you very much for watching.